political party members like Rahul Gandhi, Adityanath, Yogi, Amit Shah have also tested positive. The virus is not only infecting the common people and the poor, and it's high time for people to understand that, especially the government, because they are the same people who imposed lockdown last year when we barely had 100 cases in the whole country. The government imposed a few rules of maintaining social distance, wearing masks whenever they are going out, no gatherings for more than 6 people at the same time, but I don't think so. The people who made the rules are actually following them. India had crossed more than 6,50,000 cases. Mamta Banerjee made an announcement saying she will not do any rallies looking at the current country's current situation. Almost everyone know that's a smart political step, but even if she did so, she actually made a good step. No one knows how long this is going to happen. People are in fact saying that the government can actually impose the whole nation lockdown right.
Bengal elections and this second wave of COVID had made a lot of people to self-doubt their decision whether they had chosen a right government or a wrong government. Hi, I am Shubham Jha, and in my opinion, this West Bengal elections is totally worthless during this pandemic, where we Indians had crossed about 3 lakh cases per day, and total number of deaths are increasing day by day. With 23rd April, around 2,000 people died because of this pandemic. And we all know about the critical situation of the oxygen cylinders and the ventilators that are not providing by the hospitals, and also the total number of beds are also decreasing, which is a very big major issue in this pandemic. But these government don't think about us. They just want to elect their CM in the particular state, which is not right in this pandemic. We have to
जिस तरह से रैली कर रहे हैं, मेरे विचार से तो बीजेपी ही जीतेंगे। हमें लग ही रहा है कि बीजेपी वहां जीत जाएंगे, लेकिन जहां बीजेपी का सरकार है वहां पर जब वो हेल्प नहीं कर रहे हैं, कितने लोग मर रहे हैं, कहाँ किसी को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा, किसी को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, किसी को हॉस्पिटल नहीं मिल रहा है, तो इतने लोग मर रहे हैं। तो जब वहां पर अगर जीतेंगे तो वहां के लोग में अभी क्या ये होगा कि जो जिस जगह सरकार बीजेपी का है वो वहां नहीं चला पा रहे, तो हमारे जीतने के बाद हमारा सरकार यहाँ ठीक से चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, लोग तो ये कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं। मेरे हिसाब से तो उनको अभी कुछ दिन के लिए टाल देना चाहिए था।
We are giving our best for supporting the government, but what they are giving us in return is totally wrong. Recently, Modi tweeted asking people to come in large numbers to vote. Ironically, on that day, India had crossed around 2 lakh cases. And surprisingly, Modi didn't even tweet a single word about this. Is this how a government work?
हमारे देश की जो हाल है उस पर कुछ तो सरकार को होना चाहिए। जो हमारे देश का जो हाल है उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस दे करके इलेक्शन में नहीं देना चाहिए। इलेक्शन तो आगे भी डेट बढ़ सकती है, लेकिन जो हमारे देश में कभी उधर लोग मर रहे हैं, कभी उधर लोग मर रहे हैं, उन पर ध्यान देना चाहिए उन्हें। इलेक्शन के लिए तो हम लोग कभी भी तैयार हो सकते हैं, कभी भी चल सकता है। इतनी रैलियाँ हो रही है तो थोड़ी सी उनको रैलियाँ कम करनी चाहिए। वहाँ भी लोग जिस तरह की अभी हमारे देश की हालात है, हम लोगों को सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिए हैं कि हम लोग आगे इन्हें वोट दे करके आगे जिताए या ना जिताए।
Due to COVID-19 is affecting our country so much, I think it should stop doing campaigns because there is a lack of oxygen cylinder. People are suffering so much during this time, and the government is focusing on elections. And West Bengal is also having like crisis of oxygen cylinder. There has been a sudden rise of COVID-19 cases, which is also impacting elections. But foremost important thing is in India right now to save our people. Thank you.
Talking about the current situation, I really don't appreciate what the government is doing right now, since the pandemic is hitting India really very hard right now, and the way the government is treating the whole situation is just making everyone sad around the country. Hi, my name is Saloni Jha, and according to me, elections can wait. I should not exactly opinionate this whole stuff, but yeah, if you'll ask me, my current situation is just so disturbed because I have so many people around me who are positive, and the mental health, keeping everything aside and relating it to elections, what I want to say is Elections can wait. The pandemic can't. People are dying every day. Every day. We are having almost 235 cases per minute, and this is how government is reacting. States who already have BJP party as their ruling government are pleading for help from everywhere. They are genuinely requesting people out there, the government, for help, for oxygen gases and all that stuff. But keeping all that aside, if I talk about Bengal elections and the current situation, or relate all both these situations, then people in Bengal would not be really giving votes as per the situation. According to, if I would have been in Bangalore or Bengal, or my family would have been in Bengal right now, they would not have been voting for the government, because they can actually see that the government is not doing anything where they have they have the power. So if we have to just compare all these situations, I guess the government is not doing right. It's just my opinion. Maybe for some people it's actually going very good and stuff, but at this moment people actually are doubting their choices for choosing this government as their leader. I've met so many people who are saying, dude, no, I used to really support this government. They have done so much for the country, but now when we actually need it, when they actually want the government to help them, they're not doing anything. Since that's why most of the people who used to support, I'm not talking about people who are not supporting the government, but the people who used to support the government are today in. What disheartened me the most is what the ruling party is actually doing right now. I am talking about all the Bengal elections and stuff, but whenever I talk about it, whenever I think about it, whenever I watch the news, the only thing which come in my mind, as well as the millions of people's mind, that is, how is the government is so insensitive to not even think about. Thank you for watching this video. This was my opinion. The results are awaited. If I just have to talk about the Bengal elections, I feel the Modi government is actually going to win this time, because for obvious reasons of all these rallies and stuff which they have been doing. But eventually I'll say, I would like to conclude it, that's not what they have to do right now. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. This is Saloni Jha signing off.